on your ball, boy. I understand there's a few of you on here going, God damn, this motherfucker's boring as hell. What the fuck is there? Welcome to automotive paint work. It's rough, it's hot, it's tough, it's not fun sometimes. Most of the time you stand around with your thumb up your ass trying not to fall asleep as you sand something. But so goes life. People have different ways of doing shit. In the automotive paint world, it's about doing the ways that you get used to doing it, that you can do it the fast and the best way possible. Some people will tell you, get a grinder. And, you know, grinder only spins one way. It'll grind it down fast, but of course it only puts grind marks in it. And so I don't like grinders. That's just me, unless I've got to strip something down to the bare metal. But for body work, I like the DA, especially small body work. Nothing major. And there's a lot of up and down climbing and moving.